Hello, my name's Adrian Cockings and you're watching Keystyle TV. And today I'm going to take you around this key-ready 3-bed. Yeah, one more time. Hello, my name's Adrian Cockings and you're watching Keystyle TV and welcome to Fortuna. Now I'm going to get you inside before the rain starts coming, but come on in. This villa is a key-ready 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, new build here in Fortuna. As you come through the front door, you've got this lovely open space. This is your living space where you can have maybe a sofa on the side here or TV this side. And then obviously you've got these wide sliding doors that can open up to your outside terrace there, which is a lovely, lovely space that you can enjoy. So you've got your own private pool as well, an outside toilet, and your utility area to the side as well. Here, we're going to carry on going through the property. We've got electric blinds on these doors. Coming down the corridor, you've got your kitchen here, and I'm actually going to walk in so you can get an idea of the feel. Everything's going to be fully fitted, so you're going to have the hob, the oven, fridge, all white goods included. And then this door takes you outside where you can have a nice dining set so you can eat al fresco. Down the corridor, we've got the first bedroom just here. This is a lovely space. You can have a TV hanging on the wall, double bed just there. And I don't know, lots of natural light coming in through these properties, which is good. Down here, you've got your second spare bedroom, just in there. And then your spare bathroom. The whole property is heated and cooled through a duct air conditioning system, and that's throughout the property. And then we're coming into the master bedroom. Now the master bedroom, it's not really the biggest, however, you've got this huge walk-in wardrobe. And this walk-in wardrobe, you can do literally whatever you wanted to. If you wanted to even make it part of the bedroom, you can knock down maybe one of these walls, which could easily be done. And then you've got your ensuite bathroom with a standing shower just there too. But with the two spaces combined, it's huge. It is absolutely enormous. And then obviously you're overlooking your pool and your terrace area there as well. Right, now we're going to go to the downstairs, because this property also comes with a basement. But it's not just a basement. It is an enormous space the size of the upstairs villa itself, and also comes with a bathroom down here as well. So if you wanted to make it into a guest apartment or, I don't know, a games room or something like that, you've got everything in place ready to go. Come on in. Even all of this space, you could put a shed to the side there if you wanted to. Lots of space. But as you come in, you'll hear the echo, obviously, because there's nothing in here. But you've got space here where you could put in kitchen area, all the plumbing and everything's all in. Through there, you've got your third bathroom. And that bathroom comes with a standing shower. And then, obviously, all of this space, maybe you make this into a cinema room, a games room, a pool table could go into here. And then out here, I don't think, yeah, we do have electric. Here, you've got all of this storage space to the back as well. It's just a large property. Now, this villa is located in Fortuna, in a lovely urbanization, just a short drive to the town centre itself. You've obviously got the spa with Fortuna just down the road. You can even cycle your bike there if you would like to. And you've got all amenities in the town, such as supermarkets, bars, restaurants, schools, pharmacies, pretty much everything. So if you want any more information about this property or any other property that we have on our list, make sure you check out our website at www.keystyleproperties.com, and make sure you like, comment and subscribe to keep up to date with all the latest property videos, and make sure you join our WhatsApp property alerts group. No spam, just properties. Well, that's it from me here today in Fortuna, but if you want any more information, just give us a contact, okay? I'll see you next time.